Hello, in this video I will show you how to create your first action with navigate to URL type, and after login we have to move to actions page, then we have to create the add button, and we have to provide self-descriptive action name. Let's assume that we will create go to Drapla action, and action type we have to choose navigate to URL because we want navigate to Drapla page. And then we have to click next button. In value we have to provide value of our action, so we want to move to drapla.com/login, and it's our value to our action, and then just press next. There we see summary, so action name is go to Drapla, action type is navigate to URL, and value is our URL. And just press finish button. Then we can see information that action was created successfully, and we can run that action, but there is information that open session is closed, so we have to open test browser status. Test browser status was opened, and right now we can just press run action. Then we can see in our second browser, Drapla browser, open the Drapla page. So successful run of action, the name of our action and other information. And it's all what I want to show you in that video. Thank you.